The Kuala Lumpur-Singapore High-Speed Rail project is one of the largest transportation projects in Southeast Asia. The project was designed to connect the Malaysian capital, Kuala Lumpur, with Singapore via a high-speed rail line. This would have reduced travel time from over 4 hours by car or bus to approximately 90 minutes. However, the project has stalled. Work on the project was halted, and the bilateral agreement between the two countries was cancelled in 2021 due to disagreements over costs and proposed modifications. In recent years, Malaysia has reconsidered the possibility of reviving the project through public-private partnerships. Singapore has expressed its willingness to consider any new proposal that would start from scratch.
Malaysia and Singapore are partners in this project. It is approximately 350 kilometers long. Its operating speed will reach 320 kilometers per hour. The journey between the two cities will take approximately 90 minutes. The project will create an economic corridor linking two of Southeast Asia's strongest economies, boosting trade, investment, and tourism. The line was planned to start in Bandar Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and terminate in Jurong East, Singapore, with several intermediate stations, including Putrajaya, Seremban, Air Cairo, Malacca, Muar, Batu Pahat, Iskandar Putri Johor, and Jurong East, Singapore. These stations were designed to be new hubs for economic, commercial, and urban development. The project was planned to utilize modern, state-of-the-art trains featuring operating speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour, advanced digital control systems, high levels of safety, comfortable cabins for business and leisure travelers, high-speed internet, and smart onboard services. The project was expected to yield numerous benefits, including reducing travel time between the two cities by more than 60%, increasing bilateral trade and investment, stimulating tourism, creating thousands of jobs during the construction and operation phases, increasing the value of land and real estate surrounding the stations, relieving pressure on air travel, which is among the busiest in the world.
The project faced several obstacles, most notably the enormous overall cost, estimated at tens of billions of dollars, changing economic priorities in Malaysia, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, differences in viewpoints between the two governments regarding financing and implementation mechanisms. As a result of these factors, the bilateral agreement officially ended in January 2021, with Malaysia reimbursing Singapore for its incurred costs.
Can the project be revived? Yes, the possibility of reviving it remains. Since 2023, the Malaysian government has invited international companies and consortia to submit proposals, relying heavily on private funding. Singapore has expressed its willingness to consider any new proposals that are formally submitted. However, no final agreement has yet been reached regarding its revival. Expected impact if implemented. If completed, the project is expected to become the fastest means of transportation between Kuala Lumpur and Singapore, one of the most important transport corridors in the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, a catalyst for the development of smart cities and new commercial areas along its route, a model for high-speed rail projects in the region. Given its scale and economic impact, the Kuala Lumpur-Singapore High-Speed Railway is considered a strategic project. If revived in the future, it could be a game changer for the transport and development sector in Southeast Asia.